Hey, how's it going? It's Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a Dakota brown metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. An espresso brown ginger beige MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season floor mats. Fold-down rear seats. Cargo cover. On the wrong side, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which gives you a blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. Brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, a push start ignition. Also included is our smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for X performance, navigation, a rear view backup camera. Hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE 350 has 46,224 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmannimports.com.